Alright, scooter fanatics and vintage vehicle voyagers. Ever wondered why getting your Vespa fixed can feel like you're trying to crack a secret code? And why it often costs a small fortune? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into the world of Vespa repair. A world where things can get tricky, and wallets can get lighter. Let's explore why these iconic scooters are notoriously hard and expensive to fix. First off, Vespa scooters, especially the older models, are engineering marvels. But here's the kicker: they're marvels that were often built with a level of, shall we say, Italian flair. This means parts are sometimes unique. Finding the right bits and bobs for your classic Vespa can be like a treasure hunt. Many parts are specific to the brand, and sometimes even specific to a certain year or model. This scarcity drives up prices. It's simple supply and demand, folks. Then there's the age factor. These scooters have been zipping around for decades, meaning many of them are vintage. This means the parts aren't exactly rolling off the assembly line anymore. Many parts are no longer manufactured, forcing repair shops and owners to scour the earth for new old stock parts, or to rely on aftermarket options. And let's be honest, finding that one obscure part in a sea of potential suppliers can be a real headache, and time is money, right? Another reason for the cost and complexity? The design itself. Vespas are not your average, run-of-the-mill scooters. They're designed with a certain je ne sais quoi. This means that to do repairs, mechanics sometimes need to be true Vespa whisperers. They have to understand the quirks, the nuances, the little Italian secrets of the Vespa soul. This expertise takes time to develop, and skilled labor, well, it comes at a price. Furthermore, Vespas are often built with a monocoque chassis, meaning the body is a single structural unit. This is great for strength and style, but not so great when you need to access the engine or internal components. Repairs can involve a lot of disassembly, which means more labor hours, and you guessed it, more cost. Now, let's talk about the dreaded rust monster. If a Vespa has spent time exposed to the elements, rust can become a major issue. Repairing rust damage is labor-intensive, often involving welding, bodywork, and painting. This is skilled work that demands both time and patience, something that's definitely reflected in the price tag. Finally, let's not forget the Vespa community. Vespa owners are passionate. They love their scooters, and they want them running perfectly. This can mean higher standards for repair work, and a willingness to invest in quality parts and skilled mechanics. It's a testament to the Vespa's charm, but it also contributes to the cost of keeping these beautiful machines on the road. So, there you have it. The reasons why Vespa repair can be hard and expensive, or a combination of factors, from unique parts and vintage designs, to the intricacies of the repair process, and the passionate owners who cherish them. But hey, it's all part of the Vespa experience, right? And when you're cruising down the street on your beautifully restored Vespa, it's totally worth it. Safe riding, everyone, and may your Vespa repairs be few and far between.